Oh, hello. You just caught me preparing my Halloween costume for later this year. Just kidding. This is the Jovs 4D Focus Mask, and I'm back with another review. So, as you know, I've made loads and loads of videos about red light. In fact, I've got a whole playlist on red light devices. I've been using them for over 5 years, and they're a great way to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, to give your skin a youthful glow, and to help with hyperpigmentation and more. So it works by red light, which boosts the ATP levels in your skin. So ATP is what our cells use for energy. So the more energy they have, the more efficient they can be, and the more plump and healthy they're going to look, and the more they're going to reflect light and make us look more youthful. And red light also works on a deeper level to boost the collagen and elastin in our skin. But I know what you're saying. I've seen loads of masks like this. What's different about this one? The days of a company bringing out a standard run-of-the-mill LED mask are long gone. These latest devices on the market have a lot of technology and research behind them, and they have improved efficiency. So I do think that the bar has been raised when it comes to what consumers will be expecting from these LED lights in the future. So let's talk about the technology. This is LED light, but compared to all the other devices on the market, its light source energy efficiency is increased by 6 times. This means better results in less time. This is because they're using something called focused thermal phototherapy. You try saying that. So to break this down, that means 3 things. Firstly, you've got accurate irradiation. So the light coming from each of these 140 lights is at a 20-degree angle. That reduces the loss of light waves. Secondly, this device has a higher light output density, which improves the device's light efficiency. And thirdly, it means stronger penetration, which can go to the deeper levels of your dermis. So as this image shows, they're using long light wavelengths from 660 nanometers to 1064 nanometers. They penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin, and that will help to boost collagen and elastin. The reason this is called 4D is because it uses 4 wavelengths of light all over the face to address different issues. So this mask uses 850 nanometers to address concerns on the forehead, which would be lines and wrinkles. It uses 660 nanometers across the face to treat dullness and also dark circles under the eyes. It uses 940 nanometers to treat redness in the cheeks, and it uses 1064 nanometers to treat fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. Let's talk about precautions. Always read the instructions and the precautions on any device, and if you're unsure, check with your doctor. I'm just reviewing the device, I'm not giving you any medical advice, but this does say you can't use this within 3 months of having Botox, and it says you cannot use it if you are diabetic, if you have any light sensitivity, or if you're pregnant. So they suggest that you would do a sensitivity test, that you'd use this for 1 minute and then stop and just check that you don't have any reaction when you first use this. The Jovs devices always come with very high quality packaging. So you get this great box, and it comes with the USB charger, it comes with the instruction manual, it comes with a 1-year warranty, and it comes with this rest to keep the mask. So they want you to keep the dust off it when you're not using it, and if you do need to clean it, you just wipe it with a damp cloth. My first impressions of this is that it's extremely tactile. This machine is soft. I guess this is some kind of silicone, but it's really nice and tactile. You really want to touch it. The other great thing about this, compared to, for example, the current body LED mask, is that it touches your skin all over your face and your jaw. There are no bits that it misses. So to show you, when this is on, it's in contact with every bit of skin on my face. So it doesn't miss any. And I like the fact that there isn't a section for your mouth, because that means it's going to treat your lips as well. You don't need to use a separate device to treat your lips. And you have this section here where you've got the controls. And again, it's all very sturdy, it's very strong. I think there's been a lot of thought into the design and the materials used. And I really like this product. So how do you use this mask? Well, first of all, you need clean, dry skin. And then you would basically put this on your face. I'm not going to do it so you can actually hear me. You have your selectors here. So you hold the lower one here for 2 seconds and the device comes on. Then while you're wearing it, you can select the energy intensity that you want. So this has 3 modes. You can press plus or minus. So the first mode is called the soothing mode. So it's to stabilize the skin barrier, promote microcirculation, improve skin texture and anti-aging wrinkle reductions, and that's for 10 minutes. So each one of these timing lights here is 10 minutes. Mode number 2 is standard mode again, but it's to brighten and reduce dark spots and dark circles under the eyes and also wrinkle reductions. So it goes for 15 to 20 minutes and that gives you a deeper brightening and dark spot reduction. And then mode 3 is deep mode, so that's deep anti-aging and wrinkle reduction. So I've been using the deepest mode and I've been using this for about 10 minutes a day. So you can use this for a maximum of 30 minutes a day, and if you want you can break that up between 15 in the morning and 15 in the evening, but you don't want to go over 30 minutes a day. You just lay back, do whatever you want to do, and the device would stop after the time that you've set. I like these masks rather than the devices that you have to lay underneath, because you can get on with your life. You don't have to lay there and meditate or listen to anything. You can literally work at your desk, or, well, providing you work from home, or you can just walk around and do whatever you want. That's why I like the masks. So how much does this cost? This mask costs $734 US. I've got a link below where you can save $50. You get free shipping, you get a 1-year warranty, and the best thing I think about what Jovs have done with this, they're so confident that it's going to work for you that they're giving you a 90-day money-back period. So you can't really say better than that, because after 90 days, you're going to know for sure whether this is working for you or not. And if it's not, they're quite happy to give you their money back. So I think that's a really good thing. Now, I'd normally try to do some before and after pictures when I use any device. The thing is, with red light, as I mentioned, because I've been using this for years and I've used many different devices, it wouldn't really be fair because you wouldn't know whether the effects were coming from the other devices or this one. I normally do, I'd say, probably a week where I use it every day. So maybe it could be 10 or 20 minutes, however much time I've got. And then I'd go for maybe a month where I don't use it, and then I do another week. When you stop using red light, then all the benefits disappear. It's not permanent, unfortunately. So with this, you know, it's going to be part of your lifestyle that you somehow have to fit in. If you've already used this, I'd really love to know what you thought. If you've got another device that you think is even better, please comment below. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you next time.